Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our 180-degree box, so let's get into it and check it out. This box is sent to me for review, but because they send it over for review, we have a code. I will put the link and the code CAT15 down below. When you go over and check it out, it will get you 15% off your first box. This box was started by Arlene. It is all about self-care, health, wellness, that kind of thing. I always refer to it as my Mary Poppins box because it just keeps giving. I'm always surprised at the amount of items that are in this box. So let's dig right into it. It can have all manner of goodies. We get lifestyle items, we get a book, we get makeup, skincare, just all manner of goodies. This is the September box, so we have our paperwork that will tell us a little bit about each of the products we have inside. And that is what we can see. And isn't it funny how even what we can see, it's like little brown parts sticking out. So it looks autumnal. That's fun. Let's gloss up and see what it says. Mood Palooza. Remember to enjoy the journey. We'll have our little Mood Palooza. Next month is Harvest Harmony. All about the September theme. When I thought about you entering the month of September, I knew I wanted to inspire your mental motivation and infuse some mindful inspiration in your month. Fill up your cup with words of encouragement and also indulge in a mood palooza of blissful self-care to elevate your spirits with our curated selection of empowering and delightful surprises. This self-care and wellness box is your ticket to a festival of joy, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Get ready to dance to the beat of positivity and immerse yourself in the world of pure bliss. Doesn't that even sound lovely? When we get to the inside, we have so many ways to set up your self-care mood, and then this gives us a little bit of information about everything in here. We're just gonna reach in right on top. I have an Earth Harbor Azure, and this is the regenerative neck cream. My neck is not sensitive. I will be trying this as long as I can use all of the ingredients. That is what it looks like. This one is a nice light blue. They're always, the Earth Harbor, always so pretty. I made my way through this very extensive list of tiny, tiny words, and guess what? I can use this. There's technically nothing in it that I can't use, so we're gonna give it a shot. When you open it, it is pretty and blue. Not much scent when you do it like that. The second ingredient, because this is our autumn box, could be a fluke. I like to think that it was very determined. Pumpkin. So it goes on really light. It's definitely a cream. It's not a gel, but it has a very light feel like a gel. And since this is going on my neck, odds are I'll be fine with it. Just kind of clean. Not a lot of scent. It just feels like a very light lotiony scent that smells very clean. It feels like it's absorbing quickly. Let's see what it does. Kind of exciting to have an Earth Harbor that I can use. Have I never? That must mean that I have never received this. I don't think that I have. Wow, that's saying something because we do see Earth Harbor, so that's very exciting. The paperwork says that it is a bouncy, lightweight gel cream and it's purely natural. Get smoother, plumper, and firmer skin with Earth Harbor's Azure Regenerative Neck Cream, a natural treatment moisturizer for your delicate neck and chest area. A bounty of botanical actives smooth fine lines, brighten your complexion, and deeply hydrate the neckline down to your décolletage. Well, if it was my face, I would be very nervous by the fact that it said brighten, but this doesn't tend to be sensitive, so I'm not really going to worry about it. And it has completely absorbed. It is not even a little bit greasy, and this hand looks so much better than this hand now. That is very exciting. Next out, we have Via Mercato Harvest Spice Soy Blend Candle, and look, it's got pumpkins on it. How cute is that? Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. I don't think pumpkin when I smell it, in all fairness. It smells very good, very clean. Kind of harvesty. It does smell kind of harvesty. I like it. Nothing sets a relaxing and serene mood like a candle with its fragrance and light. Autumno Candle will create a warm light and gently fills your space with its delightful scent inspired by fall. Harvest Spice, an evocative blend of spices, caramel, and pumpkin topped with citrus fruit. Okay. That is very fun. You guys know I do love a candle. Next out, we have Nourish Mantra Gel Moisturizer in Near Light. And that is what that looks like. Before we get into it, let me read the paperwork. Nourish Mantra's Near Light Gel Moisturizer is going to be one of your favorite go-to face moisturizers. This ultra lightweight gel is easily absorbed by the skin while leaving your skin feeling fresh as a daisy. When you enjoy the last days of summer and into the fall months, Near Light is infused with hyaluronic acid to restore your skin's natural hydration while working wonders to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I really need more going into fall and winter than a gel offers. You know, this is the time of year I slip right into my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro. And the back of this says it's infused with witch hazel, and my face is not a huge fan of that. So I'm gonna leave this completely sealed so that I can pass it along because I have been doing some giveaways lately. So we'll set that aside. Next we have the CLLC Protected Body Cream by GN. This is a full size for sure. I mean, I think everything in here is full size. It is 175 ml and it says, bask in the 24-hour non-greasy touch of this lotion as it envelops your skin in a soothing relief, alleviating redness and irritation. As you enjoy the rest of your fun outdoor activities, feel confident knowing that your skin is safeguarded from 97% of UVA and UVB rays. It is. Did I say SPF 30? It is an SPF 30. That is good to know. The information on the back is first in Cyrillic, so it could be Greek. This is what I've come to know. I don't know the difference between Greek and Cyrillic. I learned that when we did our Universal Yums. This says that it is made in the EU for CLLC and their address is Bulgaria. I think they use normal letters in Bulgaria, don't they? I don't know. But an SPF 30, just because summer's over, that doesn't matter to me. I use SPFs all the time. Okay, next out, ooh, an NCLA So Rich. This is a cuticle oil. I haven't read what flavor it is yet, but I know what it is because I love cuticle oils. I used to talk about it on the channel. I thought I had a slight cuticle oil problem, and I had so many that I quit buying them, but it's been so long since I've gotten something new that I bet all of mine are out of date. This is Mermaid Tears. I have actually had this one. I love the scent of it. It's kind of clean and soapy, as I recall, kind of like a spa scent, like if you went to the spa. Yeah, it smells so good. I am happy, 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 happy. I have been doing my manicure on the regular now, and I am pleased to have a new, fresh cuticle oil in the rotation. Treat your nails to some TLC, infusing them with a wave of hydration and nourishment. Immerse yourself in a world where clean beauty merges with a miraculous potion for healthy cuticles and swift nail growth. This captivating turquoise solution bids dryness farewell. Next out, I have Ma Soiree 16 Premium Nail Wraps. I can't see what the design is. It looks like it might be white. I'm not sure. Let's see what the paperwork says. Maybe it'll tell us more before I dig it out of there. Here we go. Set the mood and try this no fuss French tip mani. So that's why all I can see is like little white lines. It's perfect. It's a French tip. And Ma Soiree's convenient nail wraps give you an easy to apply and long lasting polish alternative. Easy to apply from the comfort of your own home. I have been doing my nails so much, but I absolutely don't mind the idea of having these around to be able to do French tips. So that is excellent to have. Next up, and that's why I told you guys, there is usually so much in here. We have Grandy Organics gluten-free oatmeal with fruit. So that's dialing back to the wellness. We're headed into the season where I like oatmeal. My summer treat has been, well, treat. Some people probably wouldn't call it a treat. I use fat-free plain yogurt, and then I put a little bit of granola on it and just probably the equivalent of a teaspoon of honey, and then a little sliced fruit, and it's like a little bowl, kind of like an acai bowl, but without the acai. But now it's time to move into oatmeal. Enjoy this organic, gluten-free oatmeal with fruit. It's vegan and simply made with 4 ingredients: gluten-free oats, raisins, apples, and cranberries. Add 6 to 7 ounces of hot water, stir and cover. You can enjoy this tasty treat any time of day for a healthy pick-me-up, snack, or meal. For me, it is definitely a breakfast, and this will definitely get used. Next out, we have a scarf, I would say. It says, oh, it's a pashmina. Definitely an autumnal kind of brownie rust color. Very pretty. What a lovely way to just jump right into fall. It is kind of silky. It has, getting to them, there we go. It has tassels on it. It's very, very soft. You can use it like a shawl pashmina type thing, or you could just use it as a scarf. Do I look autumnal now? It is really soft. I am very, very happy with this. I like to sometimes, because I take my own personal hot with me everywhere I go now, sometimes I like to just use them more like fashion, like if I put on a coat or a jacket, just have this kind of laying inside for pretty color. And I think accessories sometimes just kind of make you feel pulled together. This is plenty long. Let's see if it tells us how long it is. It's that time of year to add this special pashmina scarf to your styling. Wearing and styling this pashmina scarf is an artful way to elevate any outfit with elegance and warmth. Whether worn over a cocktail dress or layered with a casual ensemble, this pashmina scarf brings an aura of timeless charm to your look, enhancing your personal style with its sumptuous allure. It would be pretty, like if you had just a little black dress on and you wanted to just throw something over your shoulders. I mean, it's definitely big enough to do that. Where is it? There we go. I mean, it's definitely big enough to do that. Do I look autumnal now? It's really soft. I don't mind that on my arms at all. It is very, very soft. But I am always hot, so I'm taking it off now. It is 1,000. Nope. It is 100% viscose and made in China. Okay, next out, 100 things to do on tough days. Let's see what this says. So it's just cutely written. Each page has something different on it, and it's just going to be ideas of things to do on your tough days. Let's see what some of them are. Bake something. Let some natural sunlight come in. Opening all the blinds and curtains and letting natural sunlight flood your home can help elevate your mood. Focus on what truly matters to you. Daydream. Let your mind wander for a while. Go through Urban Dictionary and find some fun, ridiculous new words to add to your vocabulary. You know why that won't work for me? Because that's one of my pet peeves. How they just keep making things that aren't words. Yep, that's how old I am. Yep, I've ruffled through all of the peanuts, and they look like the peanuts, just for the record, that dissolve. I don't know that about them. I will let you know below. We have a sweet little dish. It is from Young's Ink, and it says, "Live the life you always imagined." And it's just a sweet little like ring dish. You could set it next to your sink, put it in your bedroom on your nightstand, and put whatever you would like to put in it. The paperwork says, this isn't listed as one of the items that came in the box. This is just considered your bonus gift. It looks in the picture like there were other choices. Like I got this one. There was also Choose Joy or Look Up. I can't see the beginning of it. It looks like it says Look Up. Believe in Today. That was our 180-degree box. So much stuff, right? Let's go ahead and try and load it back up. Let's start with this pashmina so I can have it in the background because it's gorgeous. We've got our oatmeal, the CLLC body cream, the Ma Soiree nail wraps. Who doesn't love a nice French? I know that they come and go from fashion, but I always love a nice French. I've just been doing my nails so much and I am not great at it, but I did buy a plate for that. Anyway, Earth Harbor Azure. I'm excited to get to try one of the Earth Harbors that came in a box. We have the Nourish Mantra Gel Moisturizer, the pretty Via Mercado Harvest Spice Candle with the little pumpkins around the edge. So cute. The 100 Things to Do on Tough Days, our NCLA nail oil, and this adorable trinket dish. Mine says, "Live the life you always imagined." They work perfectly. Frankly, I'm just gonna go ahead and say I'm getting good at this. That is what came in the September 180-degree box. I will put a link with my code FabFitFun down below so you can go over and check it out. It will get you 15% off your first box. If you have any questions, let me know. If I don't know them, I will try and find them out for you. Please like and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you don't already subscribe, I hope you will consider. And I will see you again really soon. Thanks for coming by, guys. Have a great evening.